7 day a week. So hard work it easy for me, you see me? Never give up, I know me the door, you hear that? Just go see. Get a youth, unstoppable, turn away a train. Everything fence, every lane.
Yeah, I say, good afternoon to the world, to Jamaica. Well, I just want to make a small little message about crime in our country. That's what I say. Yeah, we need to come together. I tell you again. I'm not going to say we chat too much, I'm not going to say we dead. A whole heap of innocent people are dead just because them stick out for the truth and the right of the country. You see me? That's what I say. Whenever you take side with the one who are the bad, that same one turn on you and kill you. It always goes up. Somewhere down the line, then go and turn on you and kill you. Because you know too much and you see me, you're going to sell them out. And in the end, you inform on them. So before they go make you inform on them kill you. But when me say, me want every Jamaican to help, serve and protect this country. Jamaica land we love. A lot of country are going to all kind of disaster. You see me, and all the while when a storm or hurricane will come to Jamaica, we always call to God for guidance and protection. He always a guide and protect you before that even he about to happen. So why we can't protect our own self, our own neighbor, our own people in the country? Why you have to lick head with the bad head? Why you have to lick head with the bad head and the bad egg? You have some girl them have picnic, them take side in a wrongdoings. And whenever you turn upon them say a people are over them. Or a people are this with them and that with them. Nobody now do them nothing. You see what me I say? Yeah. The Bible says if you do good and good will follow. Jamaican people. We are not the worst. We can do better than what we are doing. We are not the worst. That's what I say. And the police them to cut the crap. All of the evilous corruption police them to get out of the force. You see me? Yeah man. Because if we the people them can't tell you nothing. Yeah, if we the people them can't tell you nothing and you go back and call them name to the man, we are wrongdoers. How can this country be a better country? It no matter if a PMP or JLP in power. When me I say a full time we cut the crap and get rid of some bad seed and bad head. You see some people go to prison, or some man go to prison, or some girl go to prison and come back. Some of them not come back to be a better person. You see what I say? Some of them come back to be a worse person than what them was. You believe say every man go to prison change? Some pretend say them change. So when them come back out, them do some secret things. The people them in the community need to stop hug up these wrongdoers. You see what I say? The girls them in the community and the big woman and big man them need to stop hug up these wrongdoers. Everybody has said them no business with nothing. Then if you're not business with nothing, why when it turn upon you, you're going to start business? We all need to put a stop into this. Killing, this bag of killing we are going. And the song them where them are sing about gunshot in the head and all them shit there. And them things I may talk about. These things help to give crime a powerful upliftment. The young artists them can find better songs sing. Like what Aya Obtain sing, like where Conscience sing, like where Chronix, Sizzler. You see what I say? Roman Virgo. You see what I say? And all them artists we are sing conscious song. Why them can't follow the foot of Bob Marley, step? Why we want to be the #1 criminal country in the world? We don't want that. If we be the #1 criminal country in the world, everybody going to lock us off. And the good will surely suffer for the bad. You understand me? Yeah. No matter who I pray you say you're dead. And you are pussy and you are this and you are that. No matter about that. You are stand up for what you is. Nobody talk about you no business. You understand what me I say? And that the bad people them want to hear. Because whether you know business or whether your business, they're going to kill you. If them have it in their mind to kill you. And you don't trust family members. Because a lot of them is wicked. You the one who I go through every day, they will try to plot with friends and kill you. You see what me I say? We need to look out for our neighbor and look out for what going on in our community. The police alone can't help we. You understand what me I say? We need to start help ourselves. You see me? The police alone cannot help we. The government alone can't put out the effort and we not put out none. You see what me I say? Even though we blast the government some of the time and the police them. But when you look into it, ignorance is not going away. You see what me I say? We need to do our part at this thing about crime. Yeah. I mean I say this to get no forward and no hype. A whole heap of murder in our country. Yeah. Whole heap of silent killer in our country. A whole heap of wicked young people, young girl, young man, big woman in our country. Where are the wickedness in the dark. You see me? Some bare face with it and not care. And when them life are going to jump out of them, that's the time they plan to care. When it is too late. You see what I say? So you hear me I say, no man. Jamaicans, if we don't wake up, we are going to ball for some people where never did that for dead. Could have lived a little longer. You see me? People tell me say never dead. Me not make that worry me. Me pray to God. God help those who hurt themselves. You see what I say? And if you can't help yourself, well something wrong with you. You see what I say? We need this country to be a better country. And we need the blessing of God and this country continuously. Because of God that protect this country. A God that run this country. You see me I say? Him give the big guys the powers to control it, yes. But a God that run it, if you ever check it out. And the wicked pray to God at night in them dark houses for them their house, for anywhere in there. I beg God for forgiveness. Yet still them go pray, say them go kill somebody when them not like. We need